If you've ever worked in a warehouse, you know the drill. Last-minute orders, misplaced stock, overworked pickers, and endless spreadsheets. But what if AI could take the guesswork out of logistics and turn chaos into precision? Welcome back to SkillSync AI, your inside guide to how artificial intelligence is reshaping job roles across entire industries. Today, we're heading deep into the warehouses, supply chains, and distribution networks powering global manufacturing and retail. If you're in roles like inventory controller, logistics coordinator, warehouse operator, or transport planner, this episode is for you. We'll cover what AI is doing behind the scenes, which warehouse and logistics jobs are changing fastest, what new tools are being used right now, and what you need to stay relevant, no matter where you sit in the chain. Why logistics needs AI. Global supply chains are more complex than ever. Higher customer expectations, shorter delivery windows, unpredictable delays, fluctuating demand, labor shortages. That's where AI steps in. Not to replace human workers, but to help systems predict, prioritize, and optimize faster than we ever could alone. AI in action, logistics and warehousing. Here are some of the ways AI is transforming the space. 1. Predictive stock. Replenishment AI analyses historical trends, sales forecasts, and real-time demand to reorder before stock runs low. 2. Route optimization. Delivery routes are automatically recalculated based on traffic, weather, and fuel costs. 3. Robotic process automation. RPA AI bots handle repetitive tasks like booking shipments, generating labels, and updating inventory systems. 4. Demand forecasting algorithms detect seasonal patterns, product life cycles, and external market trends. 5. Warehouse automation. Autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, retrieve goods vision systems track movement. AI schedules, picking tasks based on urgency and order, volume roles. Being transformed, let's look at how common job titles are evolving in the AI era. Warehouse operators now work with AI-powered robots. Use handheld devices that guide them to the next pick location. Less walking, more monitoring. Efficiency is key. Inventory controllers spend less time counting and more time validating. AI reports must understand system flags and thresholds, collaborate closely with digital systems, not just paper logs. Logistics coordinators use AI dashboards to manage capacity and scheduling, predict delivery risks before they happen, automate repetitive carrier communications, transport and freight planners, input constraints. Let AI do the route planning, focus on exceptions, disruptions, and strategic rerouting. What skills are now essential? Digital confidence, using AI-powered dashboards, interpreting system, alerts, configuring, automation tools. Systems, thinking, understanding how delays upstream affect operations, downstream, anticipating ripple effects, using AI simulations, collaboration with tech working, alongside robots and intelligent systems, escalating when decisions don't match real-world conditions, analytical judgment, knowing when to trust the system, and when to dig deeper. Soft skills still matter too. Communication, time management, and flexibility remain highly valuable in this space. A day in the life, AI-enhanced warehouse. Let's walk through a sample shift. 1. Pre-shift briefing. AI system outlines forecasted demand and high-priority SKUs. Robots pre-position fast-moving goods overnight. 2. Order picking. Operators receive optimized routes via headsets or wrist displays. Cobots handle heavier loads. 3. Restocking system alerts when levels drop. Operators replenish based on live suggestions. 4. Issue management and unexpected return. AI flags the item, suggests rerouting, or prompts human input. 5. End-of-shift review. Metrics are shared instantly. Workers receive productivity feedback and suggested efficiency tips. Result? Fewer errors, better pacing, less burnout, and more insight into performance. Entry-level and career opportunities. Good news, AI isn't taking these jobs away. It's transforming them. For new workers, here's what's expected now. Comfort using mobile tech ability to follow digital workflows, willingness to learn AI-enhanced systems, curiosity to improve processes, not just follow them. In fact, AI creates new career pathways, like automation technician AI systems, coordinated data analyst for logistics inventory systems trainer. The future of logistics is smart, but it still needs sharp people. What leaders need to know: warehouse and supply chain managers must embrace tech-driven workflows, reskill teams at scale, build trust in AI systems, create space for exception handling and human decision-making, foster a data culture. On the ground floor, AI can't fix everything, but paired with skilled humans, it can turn even the most complex logistics operation into a streamlined machine. The supply chain is no longer a black box. With AI, every package, person, and process can be tracked and improved. If you're working in logistics, this is your moment to get ahead of the curve. Tomorrow on SkillSync AI, we tackle a big question: can AI replace skilled trades or just reshape them? Hit subscribe and join us as we unlock the future of work, one job at a time.